G'day everyone, welcome to another video by myself, Andrew DFT. Now this video is a rather special one. This one is of course on a Fortnite minigun, but I've already done a Fortnite minigun in the past. Of course that's this one on screen, where it was representative of the actual one in game and it was nice and green, Husker La Vista, you know, well, you get the idea. But after having that in my office for so long, I was starting to get a bit bored of it, so I'm trying to think of what can I do to repaint it. And then of course with the huge breast cancer research funds that are going around the internet at the moment for people helping to promote it, to raise awareness, of course Overwatch launching a Mercy skin, a lot of cool artists and businesses have really get involved. So I thought it'd be really cool to make a pink themed minigun within the Fortnite style. And well, that's exactly what I did. And in my opinion, well, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. The primary goal in this was to really make it stand out, to give it that pink theme, to make it look still cool, still awesome, and I think the pink and the greys and the saturated colors provide that huge contrast that really makes this stand out as such an effective and well unique design. So of course one of the primary focuses in creating this was to give it that kind of Fortnite appeal. I still went and gave it the nice kind of roughed up gritty effect that the previous one had with some dirt, some grunge and some scarring. And I also went and did the llama little guy here sitting on the cloud, which is of course a wallpaper in the game, so therefore putting it onto the pink kind of gives it the nice little added touch. I was thinking about doing lots of hearts and stuff, but then providing too much detail would just kind of overblow the design, and I think the little subtleties such as this is perfect. And for whatever reason, if you do want this template, you can actually grab it now in the PDF in the link in the description below, right below the actual minigun template, and that's just a simple line work, so if you ever want to print it off or transfer it onto whatever, you can do that. But overall, this thing is awesome. I'm so happy with how the turnout came. When I thought of the idea, I thought it would just look absolutely silly, but then I started to really think that pink is a great color contrast for grays and blacks and silvers, so therefore it should stand out far more intense, I guess, than the green did, which is 100% correct. Now, like I said before, this video has been brought about because I wanted to raise awareness and kind of do something as an artist towards the breast cancer research awareness at the moment. And well, I thought this would be a cool way to do it. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to monetize this video, and all the revenue gained from this video I will just donate monthly, of course, towards that charity. So whether this video gets 10 views, which hopefully doesn't, or it gets 10,000 or 100,000, whatever it is, I will donate all those proceeds, of course, to the charity, because as an artist I love to help out you guys in your own personal lives with creating cool content, getting you guys involved, and of course helping out charities where I can, because I'm not smart enough to go into the fields to battle the sciences, so I can at least do that with my art, and I think that's cool. But that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Of course, if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're a regular and you want to see something new, let me know in those comments below. If you want to see something pink because it looks even more awesome, let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and of course, until the next one, I'll catch you later.